Happy day before Thanksgiving. In this video, I'm going to take you on a follow-along workout to help you improve your posture, improve your balance, improve your hip strength and flexibility, and relieve your back pain. So if you're ready, let's get ready to think right, move right, and feel right. Before we jump right into the workout, I want to let you know that during Thanksgiving weekend, you can get 30% off any of my online programs. So if you're trying to help your body move right and feel right, go to uprighthealth.com/DIY and get 30% off any of my online programs right now. Now the video you're about to see is from the Back Pain Fix program, and it's going to help you with forward head posture, it's going to help you with weak hip and leg muscles, and it's going to help you with your balance overall. All of those things will help your back feel better, and this workout is short, sweet, to the point, and you can do it basically anywhere. So enjoy, here we go. Start by holding a 5 to 10 pound weight in your right hand. You're going to slowly let that weight pull you down to the side. So you should feel a stretch on your left side underneath the ribs and above your pelvis. Slowly go down and fire the muscles on the left side to come back up. It should feel like a stretch, and then it should feel like you're working those same muscles to come back up. Keep your spine in a neutral position. Don't arch it heavily while you move through this. It should just be its normal, natural arch. And then let's go ahead and switch hands. And down we go. So right side should feel like a stretch, and then when you come back up, it should feel like you're using those same stretched muscles to pull you back up. If you feel something else working, then be really mindful of how you're moving. Check yourself in the mirror, make sure you're really mentally focused on feeling the stretch in the right side and pulling back up with the right side. For this exercise, you'll need to hold onto a stick or piece of furniture in front of you. You're just gonna lift the right leg up and bring it around out to the side and behind you. So we're exploring the full range of motion in a big arcing circle. You're going up, out to the side, behind you and around you. Your leg can twist when it's behind you, do some funky things, that's okay. We're not being really strict about how you position it. We just want you to explore, move through it, get as much range as you can, figure out what feels sticky, figure out what kind of position feels the most difficult, and slowly move through it so that those hip muscles learn how to deal with it. Go ahead and switch sides. If you're using a stick, switch hands. Bend the knee, bring the leg up, and really try to keep it up and high, using the muscles around the side of the hip to control it. You don't want the muscles just above your pelvis and under your ribs to be doing all the work. Really focus on feeling the hip muscles, the muscles all around your butt, around the front top of your thigh, around the side top of your thigh. Just find the angles that feel funny, that feel weak, and just circle up and back and around. You should really feel those muscles working. All right, so now your hips are awake. Now you can hold on to your stick or furniture, stand on your right leg, and you're going to bend over from the hip joint. Keep the spine nice and controlled and neutral. And then we're going to be shifting and twisting on top of that right hip. So you can see my left side of my rib cage drops to the floor, my left hip drops to the floor, and I'm just wiggling and rotating, finding where those muscles feel weak and shaky. So it's dropping the whole left side down and then bringing it up. You can also do this a little bit higher, so now your body doesn't have to be perfectly parallel with the floor. You may find that this is harder. You may find it's easier. Find the position that's challenging for you. Then we're gonna switch to the left leg. Now we're gonna do the left side, same idea, all your weight's on the left side. You drop your right hip and your right side of your chest down towards the floor and bring it up and back down. Just rotating in and out of the position, really feeling for work in that left hip. You can do this with your body parallel to the floor or at a slant, and just explore different angles to see where your hip muscles find this most challenging. You can open it up, you can go deep, whatever feels like it's gonna stretch and work those outer hip muscles. Hey, while you're taking a rest, I just wanted to ask, how is the workout feeling? What are you noticing? Is anything really challenging? Drop me a comment down below. And remember, if you want the full program, head to uprighthealth.com/DIY and check out the back pain fix. All right, cool. Keep resting a little bit and then let's get ready to go. So now let's put on our ankle weights and get ready to do some side lying leg lifts. You're gonna lie down on your left side with the left knee pulled up towards your chest, right hand in front of you on the floor to stabilize. The right leg is gonna be lifting up towards the ceiling. You want it to go up in a nice straight line. You should feel the muscles on the side of your right hip. Nice and slow and controlled. Don't arch your low back. Pulling that left knee closer to your chest will help you maintain a more neutral spine and will prevent rotations and tilts. So nice and slow and controlled. Keep bringing that leg up and down. You don't need to be real heavy with the ankle weights when you first start. Even 2 pounds will feel like a big challenge. So now let's go ahead and switch sides. Right knee pulled up towards your chest, left hand down into the floor to stabilize. Feel the left outer hip muscles working to lift that leg straight up towards the ceiling. The leg should be in line with the rest of your body. And you're just feeling the left outer hip muscles firing to lift the leg. Try to get a nice full range of motion out of it, making sure you feel as much of the outer hip as possible. The next exercise is the windmill. You'll be lying down on your left side, right leg in front of you, right hand is going to be rotating and reaching around. You're going to be twisting the upper and mid back and opening up that right shoulder as your hand and arm follow the arc all the way through. Look for anywhere you feel extra tension in the front of the chest, extra tension in your spine, and hang out there. Go slow. Find the areas that need the challenge, that need the stretch. Try not to let your right hip roll back as you're twisting. That's why we have your right foot in front of you. And just explore with that right arm. Go ahead and relax, and we'll go to the other side. You're gonna put your right side down, left leg out in front of you. Left hand is gonna be coming up and around. You're gonna twist with the mid and upper back. Left hand is going to explore this big arc, looking for anywhere that is stiff and tight in the left chest and shoulder. Anywhere your spine feels kinked up, take your time, give it the opportunity to loosen up and adapt. Search around for any extra stiffness in that left shoulder, left chest. And then go ahead and relax. Left side down, right leg is going to be out in front of you, and we're going to work the hips again. This time that right leg is out in front of you, and you're going to feel this in the outer hip, but it's going to feel a little different. It's going to be a little more towards the posterior side of your butt. So nice and controlled. Don't just whip it up and drop it down. Try to control the whole motion. Try to keep it going in a straight a line as you can keep it. Really focus all the effort in the side of the hip. No body English to cheat this. Good, and go ahead and switch sides. Right side down, left leg out in front of you, and lift. The foot should be about parallel to the floor or pointed a little bit down towards the floor. That's going to help you get more of the side of the hip. Focus on feeling that left outer hip burning at this point. And go ahead and relax. You can take the ankle weights off now. You'll need a pillow or a yoga block between your ankles and feet. You're gonna lie down on your back, get your low back flat into the floor, firing your abs to do that. You're gonna have your legs up towards the ceiling. You're gonna tuck your chin and reach with your hands to create a crunch. It's like your hands are reaching down and away from your head. You should feel your abs working. You should feel your inner thighs working as you squeeze that block or cushion. Keep the chin tucked. It's like you're trying to look at your own belly button. And then go ahead and relax. Finally, we're gonna work on your upper back and your posterior neck. So take an ankle weight, put it right on the back of your head, have your butt on your heels or close to it if that's not possible. Keep your butt behind your knees. If you can get it to your heels, it really helps. But as long as your butt is behind your knees, it's gonna help you keep the right spinal position and really keep firing the upper back muscles to lift that weight up towards the ceiling. If you drop your chest towards the floor, it'll help you get a little more effort and work out of the posterior neck and upper back. And go ahead and relax, take the weight off. You're gonna feel like your head and neck are in a good spot, and you are done. All right, you made it to the end of the workout. Drop me a comment down below and let me know how it went for you. If you want access to the full Back Pain Fix program, go to uprighthealth.com/DIY and look for the Back Pain Fix program. If you're watching this during Thanksgiving weekend and you want 30% off, make sure you use the coupon code that you'll find on the website now. I've also got more free back pain videos to help you here. And if you want to support this channel, use the Patreon or PayPal links you'll find in the description box, or use the join and thanks buttons you find on YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe, and as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.